Round-robin CPU scheduling is a preemptive type algorithm, the oldest and the simplest scheduling which is widely used for multitasking. The process that is preempted is added to the end of the queue. The CPU is shifted to the next process after a fixed interval time called the quantum or time slice. Quantum or time slice should be minimum, which is assigned for a specific task that needs to be processed. In terms of data structure, it uses queue. Queue has a particular order in which the operations are performed. It is the FIFO or the first in first out order, which means that what comes first will also be the first one to be processed. There are pros and cons when using round-robin scheduling. It deals with all processes without any priority. All the jobs gets a fair allocation of CPU. This scheduling method does not depend upon burst time. That's why it is easily implementable on the system. Once a process is executed for a specific set of the period, the process is preempted and another process executes for that given time period. If quantum time is low, the processor output will be reduced. This method spends more time on context switching. Priorities cannot be set for the process. Round-robin scheduling doesn't give special priority to more important tasks. For process job A, B, C, and D arrived at different time and the quantum time is 4 milliseconds. After drawing the timeline, calculate the waiting time and turnaround time. After that, find the average for waiting time and turnaround time. Single queue takes only one arrival time and one quantum time for all the process. Multiple queue needs to have different arrival time but the same quantum time for all the process. The number of process to be computed will depend on the user. All the information that the user inputted will be displayed inside the table. If the user wants to remove an information, click the remove button. If the user wants to change the type of queue, click the back button. Gantt chart is used to determine the average waiting time and the average turnaround time.